28 points. We talked about the mathematical gap to sell short, and where prices would fail, that they would go lower, and they did. This is Apple gap with a sell. Once again, here is the slide on Google all the way down. We're going to look at starting to buy these again because we like them. They were 12.20 on the high. Once again, Brian Plain, start buying a couple while it bounces now. Just buy a couple, slide it in there at 8.20. Try to make them throw off to you on the up and down tick. You paid retail at 8.60, didn't you? Why? Man. Anyway. Here is the Google. Here is the slide the bid off of the gap. Here's sliding Google. These are where the buyers are coming in. Okay. There's the Apple move. We've only been open at 6:46 Pacific Standard Time. The 20-minute rule for them has not gone by. The opening 20-minute rule was that they would sell short the positive deltas, and they did. And they slid the bids down here to buy wholesale now. And they're all looking at where they're going to get that. We are long Amazon. It hit our low price action, bounced to $1.50, and that's what's going to happen in the rest of these moves. If you did not get the Amazon, we have a lot of people who did at 124.25. That's not on the. I wasn't real happy with the entry because it was still 25 pennies. But it doesn't matter, and we'll sell into it. There it is there. Go look in your SMF calculator, and you'll see it right to the penny. And the rest of the stocks will do the same thing. They will come up off the bottom. They do it every time in our SMF price action. Somebody go look in the formula and tell me how close I was. Brian Plain. Here we are. Here is the close. That is the gap. In our formulas, price action failed. Bam. We're going to go long off of this bottom here at the 20-minute. And we're long Google both. And both have the sell side in there. And you can see where the indexes are as well. And we're still 2 minutes away from the 20-minute rule. Anyway, these are the contracts that we just bought. Brian Plain did. And I told traders, you're going to move up off the bottoms. They brought it down into the price action formula, and I told everyone, once you get down there, to start getting net long. We're long right here. Scotty? Are you in it? So on the contracts, Brian Plain put these contracts out at $10.90. And so he's in the contracts here, and any pullbacks we're going to be adding more, okay, on the Google calls. Google came down. It's a $500 call. Here's a Google chart. When Google had the highs up here at 591 and we made these lows, we started buying the $500 call down around. We had some people get hit at 840. We had some people get hit at 820. We had Brian Plain get hit at 860. And the contracts are bouncing nice. This one made a price action right here. Here it is, 3636. And that's a directional turn. So we're long Apple off of the bottom here. We're long the calls over here. We're long Amazon. I mean, geez, Amazon's just running off of these bottoms. $2 move. We had a lot of people on board right here. A lot of our other traders on our system here. Here, you guys tighten up the stops and start exiting. This is the price action. It's all right here. And this is what our system puts you in these trades, whether you like it or not. And the system will come off that lower end at that price action, and if you don't trade it, you don't get to $2. Told everyone on Amazon this morning exactly what it would do. Didn't matter what stock. It was either fade the gap. I'm long Apple. I'm owning this one over here. 560 some contracts traded. Don't think I got a big piece of it. Here we go right now. We put a high at 591, and this is called the SMF top-down trade to get net long off that bottom in our positive ratio. and there is a wide delta range on the equity, and that's $10 down, and we can go $10 up. It works both ways, folks, and we're net long the Google trade right along with these calls over here that we bought. We bought some other ones. We bought about, I would say at least 200 of them. So that's with people buying 20 and 30 contracts. $8 was the low. They took the contracts up to 12.20 and slid that bid $4, and we are in them. Ha ha. Whoa. 500.91 down. $10 short down. And if you're long off the bottom like we are, that's $5. That's $15 movement in less than, and we've only been open 26 minutes in the market, and there's been a $15 movement between the long and the short right here, and you've been giving it, yeah,